Revolutionary zygomatic implants, full mouth restoration when bone is gone, 3D animation. Millions lose their teeth every year due to bone loss, leaving them unable to get regular dental implants. But science has a solution: zygomatic implants. Unlike standard implants that need healthy jawbone, zygomatic implants anchor directly into your cheekbone, the zygomatic bone, which is much denser and stronger. This breakthrough allows patients with severe bone loss to receive full maxillary or mandibular prostheses, restoring a complete set of fixed teeth. Our 3D animation shows the process. Ultra-long implants, up to 55 millimeters, are placed at an angle, bypassing weak jawbone and locking securely into the cheekbone. This advanced technique often eliminates the need for painful bone grafts and can be completed in a single surgical session. Patients regain the ability to chew, speak, and smile with confidence, sometimes within just a few days. Success rates exceed 95%, making zygomatic implants one of the most reliable solutions in modern dentistry. If you've been told you're not a candidate for dental implants due to bone loss, ask your oral surgeon about zygomatic implants. This innovation is changing lives worldwide. Subscribe to Health Science 3D for more breakthrough medical animations and the latest in dental technology.